Okay, so let's create order 3 tree for the given values. The first value is Aryan. This is a tree of names and this is the first value. As you know, in B plus tree, the insertion is done at the leaf node. Right now there is no value in the tree, so the first value that will be inserted is Aryan. This is order 3 tree, so in each node maximum values would be 2. Okay, and if values are more than 2, then we'll have to split the tree. Now the next value is Riddhi, which will be inserted after Aryan. Then there is the third value, which is Forum. It will be inserted between Aryan and Riddhi, but as the values are more than 2, we need to split the tree, split the node. Okay, and this is the median value. So Aryan will go into the left, Forum and Riddhi on the right side, with Forum on one level up. So this would be the tree after splitting the node. Forum will be repeated in the leaf node. Okay, so these three values we are done with. Then there is next value, which is Kirtan. Kirtan will be inserted here. Okay, but as values are more than 2, so we need to split the tree. And this value will be on the left. Kirtan will go one level up here, and these two values will be in the right pointer. Okay, so on the top we'll have these values. Okay, and this value will remain here. And okay. Now I will not write the full names. I'll write 3 initial letters. Okay, so that the space is managed. Okay, now the next value is Vats, so it will be inserted after R here, after Riddhi. Okay, this value will be inserted here, but as you can see there are 3 values, so we need to split the tree and this value will go one level up. So Riddhi will be inserted here, but again there are 3 values in the root node, so we need to split this node, and Kirtan will go one level up. Okay, so now my tree will have the name. Let me just copy this. Okay, so we are going to have Kirtan on top, then second label on left pointer, Forum on right pointer, Kirtan and Riddhi. On left pointer, Forum, on right pointer, Kirtan and Riddhi. But as Kirtan is repeated in all the 3 levels, we'll have to remove Kirtan from the internal node, right? So only one value that will remain in the internal node, and that is Riddhi. And on the left side of left pointer of Forum, Aryan, right pointer in the left pointer we have Kirtan, and in the right pointer we'll have Riddhi and Vats. Okay, so here and Vats. Okay, so we have removed Kirtan from the internal node. Now next value is Moksh, which will be inserted here after K, Kirtan. Okay, so we are going to have this value here, Moksh. Then the next value is Varun, and Varun will be inserted RST. Okay, so before Vats, right here. Right now there are three values, so we need to split the tree, and this is the median value which will go one level up. Okay, so now after splitting we are going to have this tree as because we need to manage the space. So Aryan, Forum, here we'll have two values now, Riddhi and Varun. Here Kirtan, Moksh, here Riddhi, and in this pointer we'll have two values, Varun and Vats. Okay, so this is the tree after insertion of value Varun. So we are done with that value. Now the next value is Shlok. Okay, so this value Shlok will be inserted here. Okay, with Riddhi, RS. Fine, so you can directly write that value here, Shlok. The next value is Dipang, so that will be inserted after this Aryan, right? So okay, then the next value is Homak. Okay, Dipang, we are done. Now next value is Homak, which will be inserted after Forum, H-I-J-K. So yeah, so Homak will be inserted here. Now next value is Dev. So Dev will be inserted after Dipang here, right? But there are three values, so we need to split this tree, and the middle value, that is this value, Dipang, will go one level up here. Okay, so now after splitting, the tree would be like this. And here we are going to write this value, Dipang. Okay, in the left pointer value Aryan, here we'll have Dipang and Dev. This will remain as it is, and the right pointer will also remain as it is, but still I will write the values, Riddhi, Varun, here Kirtan, Moksh, Riddhi, Shlok, and here Varun and Vats. Okay, and last value. Okay, so last value is Manas, right? So Manas will be inserted between Kirtan and Moksha. Okay, so here we are going to insert Manas, right? But as you can see, there are three values, so the median value Manas will go one level up, right? So this value will be inserted here, but again there are three values, so we need to split the tree, and in this case the median value is Riddhi, so Riddhi will go one level up. Okay, so now on the root we are going to have two values, Kirtan and Riddhi. In the left pointer of Kirtan, the values are Dipang and Forum. Then this will remain as it is, so I am just writing the initials, Aryan, Dipang and Dev, here Forum and Homak. Okay, then in the next level, in the right pointer, this pointer will have Manas as a one value, and here we will have another value which is Riddhi and Varun. Okay, so here we are going to have this value Manas, and in right pointer we will have two values Riddhi and Varun. But if we write Riddhi and Varun, Riddhi will be repeated in three levels, so we need to remove Riddhi from the internal node, which is this node, this level. Okay, so I am not writing Riddhi here, I will write only one value, and that is Varun. Okay, now in the left side of this pointer, left pointer of Manas, we will have one value which is Kirtan. On the right side we are going to have two values, Manas and Moksha. Okay, then in the left pointer of Varun there are two values, Riddhi and Shlok, and here two values, Varun and Vats. Okay, so now this is our complete